Okay, I'm gonna be recording a trade, a single trade. So once there is signal, I'm gonna come back and start. Okay, there is a signal bubbling up. Let's see. Okay, that's my entry. Okay, because I've actually muted my phone, you are not seeing the pop-up notification. There is actually a pop-up notification that shows alongside this. Okay, uh, you can see my notification. Okay, probably, let's see. Let me remove my bedtime. Maybe you can get to see the notification. Okay, you can see the notification. Okay, notification will always pop up for all the signals. There will be notification. So now the signal is ongoing. Now the signal is going to lapse for 2 minutes. Most times, before 1 minute 30 seconds, you would have seen the result. So there are times it will delay. There are times, but this signal gives good vibes. Okay, really it gives good vibes. So I don't do much trades on it. Just one robot that is trading is just doing two trades. Okay, two trades per day. That's what the robot does on this one. Two trades per day, and that's it. Okay, you can see I've won the trade here. Okay, and you can see it has already indicated trade one. So imagine I'm just doing one trade. This gives me 10%. Okay, I'm done for the day. That's enough. So it's like me having 15,000, or let's say I have 20,000, and then I'm making 2,000 from the 20,000. That's a good deal. Uh, Not too many. You don't need to do plenty of trades. Okay, I don't need to do plenty of trades. I want to do things that will be repeatable, something that I can do every day. And I can bet you this guy has been paying me on a daily basis. Okay, but the major challenge I've always been having with this signal setup, this type of signal setup, if you're trading with it individually, you will see, because I just uploaded this one, you might not see much of records for today. Okay, but very soon from tomorrow, you'll start seeing a lot of records on this guy, on all of them, because I had to refresh my old server, review everything, and upload it afresh. So imagine just doing just one in a day or two in a day, that you are comfortable that you're going to win. Okay, that's what I try to do. Now, this guy works very well. Okay, now this has also been reviewed. These are the things that I trade on. These are the signals I provide. Goes outside. If you tap it, you'll see all the available signal and goes outside. This one I use in trading is just called the Got Red Beer. Okay, it's Red Beer because they always reset this guy every day. So that's why Red Bear, Red Bull, they reset them every day. So that's why I like them. Okay, they reset them every day. So they have daily reset. Sometimes it can give you small percentage, but the lowest we will get is like 6.57%. So once you start getting more, you can wait till it gives you more, then you trade. But I like just doing, once it's more over 7%, I take my trade, I close. It might be very early in the morning, it might be towards noon, depending on the time the markets move there. Now, I'm trading goes outside with this. Now, you may be wondering, oh, why not you, is this thing not, can robot not trade it? Yes, it's running on robots, but the challenge there is that every time we connect a robot to multiple accounts, it doesn't work. Okay, maybe first month, second month, it may work. First, second, afterwards, it stopped working. So I've stopped taking adventures on that. I want to focus on what works. So if it is individual that works, let me concentrate on my individual. If I connect, I have an account connected to this signal I just traded now. Okay, this one I just traded now. I have a robot connected to it. Now, you see the way I structured it out is that it has to wait. It's not going to be giving you all the signals. Once it gets signals every 15 seconds, 15 minutes, it gives you one. So probably you are not going in 1 hour, you are only going to see 4. The reason why I made it so is because you see some signals hide. They can pull a fast one on you. So I focus on the ones that are more mature, more sure. So we get more sure signals. We have goes outside, okay. I have 3 sets of different type of goes outside. Touch, I have 3 sets of different touch, okay. There are 3 different signals, okay. All of them have been tested and they are working fine. I also have accumulator, okay. I have accumulator. I like the accumulator. I like only 25 index. It's more stable. It has consistency. Then I have the bots here. Only the reports there. Okay, I have not connected any. The ones I've connected are individual accounts. They are my own personal accounts that are connected. And I want to use probably this month also to check. Okay, this one is doing well. I trade it manually. I trade it with bots. I trade the ones I trade on a daily basis, every day. This one you just see me traded. I'm also running a compound trading account for the bot. You'll see all the reports there. They are available there. I'm not going to remove them. They are going to be there as it's storing the information. You're going to be seeing the updates every day there. It's going to be there till the end of the year. Now, you see this one's the one I trade daily. From this faith index, that's what I usually recommend for people using Signal. You want to trade, and then this got bear because it's red bear, and you have to be patient. You have to wait for the signal. Okay, Signal is plenty, but I reduced it, sorted it based on profitability margin. Okay, so that you can have more profitable margin because you're not going to be doing plenty. So this one, every 15 minutes, you're going to be expecting at least one signal or two. 1 or 2 highest. Okay, every 15 minutes. On this got red bear. Okay, so it goes outside. Then we have touch. These ones are different touch signal setup. Sell alone, buy and sell. And then we have these 2 special, buy and sell for just 2 index. This one, Robert is trading this one on a daily basis, the 25. Then this accumulator, Robert is also trading accumulator. Then I have some of the robots here. There are some of them I have not put updated here so far, but I have some here. Then this is the guide on how to use the touch that goes outside, and I'm also going to have the accumulator. Okay. But I think I've made a video where I showed you accumulator, but I have not used the place where I use Signal. Okay, so I'm just trying to give you an update so far on the Signal setup. Does it work? Is it working fine? Yes. Does it give you good result? Okay. I've actually used this RDBA to do this trade. Okay, this one you are looking at. Okay. First, I did one with 7%. Then I did one with 10%. So that's how come I'm making 1.23. If I'm making 10% on whatever stake I'm doing every day, I'm okay. I'm very okay. It's more than enough. Okay, it's very more than enough. Probably, if you do not know what I'm saying, let me just show you. Look at this daily compound interest. Okay, this is at the rate of I think 6.5%. Okay, that's the lowest the market can give you. There is a bot doing this. Okay, because we just started a new month, I wanted it to start afresh, so I just loaded a new one now. Okay, the bot has been trading. It has done for 5 days already. Okay, see where it started from. Okay, this is where it is right now. Okay, it started from $7, is at $10. Now, so far it has been like $3 plus. It's just one trade every day. Now, before it was doing 25. So I changed it to this RD bear. Now the RD bear usually changes, the percentage changes. So I had to make sure I set it in a way that it's going to wait for the right until it gets the right percentage. That is when it's going to trade. Okay, so it's going to do this compound trade. Just one, pick one. It's just do one trade a day and close. That's just it. It's not doing two, it's not doing three. Now there are others of the bot that is doing like this scrap. I have the one that is doing 1 per day. I have the one that is doing 2 per day. Okay, there is one that is doing 1 per day. There is one that is doing 2 per day. Like this ones, they've done their trades. Okay, just started today. Okay, because it's the beginning of the new month, so it has done today's trade. 1 per day is at 6.5%. Then 2, you can do 1 and 2. Now this guy is doing, before it was trading last month, he did 25. This month is doing RDBA, and it's been steady and consistent. So I'm focusing on those two indices that has been steady and that are working well. Now for some of you that have already updated on or that already showed interest on the bot, I'm working on something. One is done. Okay, it's not something I'm going to announce or anything, but I'm going to contact you. All the people who have shown interest, who connected account individually, and we still had issue, I'm going to connect. You will not even need to do anything. Okay, once it's ready, I'm going to contact you. So if you now stay interested, no problem. We're going to work on it. But I want to contact you with evidence. I didn't want it to just be something that I will just talk to you about or tell you, oh, it has been doing this. I need to show you evidence. So it's piling up. It has already done about, I think, 15 days. So I needed to do at least minimum, maybe 2 months minimum. So if it does that, then I'll know it's stable. Okay, because there is an issue I usually have. If I connect my bot to one account, okay, there is an account that pays me every day. Okay, if you look at this, you see this money you're looking at is from profits from robots. Okay, there is an account that pays me every day, but my challenge is every time I connect multiple accounts to the same bot setup, whether binary no new or something, they shall always change it. I've changed so many setup. I've changed. In fact, I have my own chart. I have my own stuff. I have stuff. I didn't even put things on their server anymore. I've changed so many parole, but they usually catch up. So I've decided, okay, since it's not allowing me to gather more people, I'm going to see how I can run it for individual accounts. We set up your own account. You'll be monitoring it yourself. You'll have a page like something like this where you're going to be monitoring and you're going to be seeing how it's performing, what it's doing. Sorry for all this. I think it's the data, my data on my phone that is not displaying all this stuff. So I need you to understand, is it possible? Is it whatever? You don't need plenty. One is enough. I'm okay with 1 or 2. 1 or 2, I'm not looking at plenty. The more you trade, the more stress you have. I'm not looking at that, because the robot that is giving me daily profit does not do plenty. 1, 2, that's all. 1, 2. It's only the day the profit is less than the set target that it does 2. If it is more than set target, it's just 1. I'm okay with 1. So it works, but we are sure going to work it out. Maybe probably when I'm done with the account, I can show you. You get to see. I'm working on one that I can show. Okay, I can record it and show you and say, okay, this is an account. This account is trading 1-1 or 2-2. I'll show you one. Then you understand. So if you now want that kind of connection of the bot, we can now connect your account. But you see, you have to host it yourself.
I cannot run it on my own server. It's going to be getting signal from me, but it's going to be hosted by you. So that is the challenge. I've tried to host it together, host whatever, whether it's too much for my server or something, I don't know how it is. Now, the whole thing, just a minute before I round this up, you see the signal that we are trading, it's on its own. If I decide to say I want to trade, this is RDB, got RDB. Let me see if I can get, okay. I'm going to wait. This is a green bar. Green. Okay, let's say green bar. I want to show you what we are doing, what actually we're doing. So, and we are not now doing any kind. I just want to show you. You can see I'm using almost the same value, and it's giving me, no. It should give me, my time is almost up. Okay, it should give me like, I want the one that will give me, so I'm going to wait for when the bar is about to end, and I'll make an entry. I want to show you how short the distance we are looking at is. Okay, so I just made an entry, right? Now, this is without signal, okay? I'm not using any signal right now. I just made an entry without signal. Ordinarily, this setup I'm using, if the bar is moving, if the thing is moving very well, if there is flow in the market, under 1 minute, it will cover that distance. Under 1 minute. Then when you now have signal, it will cover faster. When you now have signal, the distance is not that much. It will cover faster. You can see it's almost there. You can see it's there. Now, this is without signal. Now, there are times it will suddenly slow down. That's what you have this markup. This markup you're seeing is when it suddenly slow down. You get to know it has suddenly slowed down. You can see this, I did not use signal. Now, when you now have signal, it makes it more assured that you are going to win that trade. And we are not looking at doing plenty. We're just looking at 1 or 2. Boom, you are okay. You will be very okay with 1 or 2. So if you're going to be trading manually, this is fine. On the bot wise, I'm still working on it, okay? I'm working on the results, okay? That will make me to be able to convince you and say, okay, you should run your own server, put it on your own server, let it be trading for you, okay? There are even servers that is not going to cost you that much. The ones that I'm now looking at, the one I could even probably, maybe I can get the server and connect people's accounts to. Okay, so those are the final option I can make on the bots. So far, I've tried so many versions of connecting, which weren't working. Okay, the very first version we did is no longer working. Reason is because it's somehow exposed to their API stuff. So, and I don't like all that. So I like something that when you enter, before they know the volume, you don't clear. We are already out, and moreover, we're not doing plenty trade. So we want a safe terrain. So this is an update so far on the website. You can see on my website so far. Now, these are all the updates. It's been categorized, so you will well understand them. You can click on all of them, and then it's well and simple enough for anybody to understand. Okay, all the signals are working. They're doing so well, but you don't need to do plenty trades. 1 or 2 is okay, and you will be fine. So God bless you. See you in another video.